And Sandy is here, and we are going to make tacos.
Necesito.
Necesito a taco.
No. Necesito tacos.
But we're gonna make tacos. So as you guys see, I've been practicing my Spanish. So maybe in a few weeks I'll do the whole video in Spanish. Maybe. And then maybe I'll have the English words at the bottom because I'm sure I might miss it. But anyway, so a lot of you guys who don't eat meat probably know about TVP. Now this is good to use for your veggie meat when you're like making tacos and you still want like that meaty kind of taste or even more filling for your taco. I use it for nachos. Necesito nacho. Yeah. Muy bien. Okay, so you can use it for, what do you use TVP for?
I haven't really worked with it, so this is good. You
Chili?
Too.
Chili.
Oh, you can make it for chili, yeah.
Necesito a chilioto. No?
Chili.
Okay. It just sounded nice. I want to say. For chili, when you make chili with some beans, it's just a good substitute for meat. So this is TVP. Okay? So this is TVP. And I get it in bulk from the store. I believe it's at most grocery stores, but I know it's at a lot of health food stores and things like that. It looks like cereal, as you can see. But once you put the water in it, it will get soft just like a meat. So what we're going to do is, Sandy, you can pour that in there. You just season it the way you would season meat when you used to eat meat, if you ever used to eat meat. If not, just season it up good. So that is garlic and onion powder. So you just pour half of that for now. That is taco seasoning. And then Sandy, when she came over, she has some chick style seasoning. So we're going to put this in it to give it a good flavor. I thought the other side was open. I always do that and it'll be... That happens a lot, huh, babe? Okay, so we're going to give it a little spice. So we're going to put some cayenne pepper in it. Basically, what we're doing here is we're just seasoning it up so that to give it some good flavor. Also, she already poured it in with the garlic and onion powder. It was salt in it as well. So I'm going to mix it up a little. You can see all the stuff coming up. Then you want to put the same amount of water that's in here of water. So I'll just mix a little at a time.
Brings the aromas out. This smells good.
Yeah, and look, you can really see the TVP. So yeah, I think we put enough taco seasoning in it. So I'm just going to mix it around. And it is like cereal, but because the pieces are so small, it will get soft. So this is probably all I need. So yeah, I'm going to mix this around and I will show you guys what we do next for our tacos. Now the next thing that you want to do is after you let it sit for about probably 5 minutes, basically you just want it to be soft. You could feel it and feel if it's still hard or not. And then you just want to pour it in a pan with a little bit of oil. And even Sandy gave me these pans because I used to use some broke down pans, y'all. And so she wanted my videos to be a little better, and more healthier. So she gave me these pans to use. So yeah, you're just gonna. It's already cooked. It's not like you have to cook the blood and pus and urine out of it. So like you do regular meat. So basically, you're just gonna cook it just a little bit to get it warmed up. If you want it a little crispier, you could cook it a little longer to make it a little crispier. But yeah, there you go. So that's what you would do with that. So I'm going to put this on the stove. Then the next thing that you want to do is get another pan, like this other pan that she gave me. And then you want to pour in some beans. Now, when my husband went to the store, I told him, get whatever beans you like. And these are the beans he got, the black beans. We do eat a lot of black beans. But you can get whatever beans you like to use for your tacos. And then, basically, I'm going to just warm this up because it's so fast to cook vegetarian food because you don't have to cook it and make sure the meat is all the way cooked and check the temperature of the meat to make sure the middle is cooked so you don't die. It's like already done, so it's faster to put together. So even though you're making stuff from scratch, it really doesn't take longer. So basically, I'm just seasoning it with a little salt, garlic powder, onion powder. So yeah, I'm gonna warm this up, and then we will show you the next step for our tacos. Okay, so the next thing now we do is Sandy did make all these other taco shells. You just put a little bit of oil in a pan, and you just, what I do is I get some on the bottom of it, and then I flip it over. And then soon as, you cannot fold it fast, because if you do, you have to cook it a little bit to make it a little soft. You will just break the taco shell in half. So as soon as I see a few bubbles in it, that's what I do. Kind of the same way that when, if you guys saw me make roti, when you get the bubbles in it. So then I flip it in half, like that. And then you just cook it till it gets a little brown on each side, or some brown dots, depending on you, how you like your taco shells. What we did was we just chopped up some tomatoes, some lettuce, and then we have our guacamole right here. And we do have a video on how to make. My husband did a video. I believe he was the one who did it. Make some delicious guacamole. And then, as you can see, this is your tacos now. It's vegetarian, no meat in it, and look how delicious it is and how filling it will be. Look at all the stuff in the inside. So we are going to tear this up. So necesito taco.
Yay!